Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Willie. I'm a quantity surveyor, and today I'm going to be taking you through how to estimate the number of blocks. It's pretty easy, so I'm going to be taking you through how to do that. So all you have to do is we are going to make use of hollow concrete blocks. So if you have a 200 millimeter thick hollow concrete block wall, hollow concrete block wall. So if you're going to estimate the number of blocks in this type of wall, it's a hollow concrete block wall. First of all, we need to come up with the quantity of the wall. Of the block wall, let's say 1 square meter. You have the dimensions of the block that you want to use. You have the length, you have the width, you first have to list them down, and the depth. In this case we are going to be making use of a 400 millimeter 400 millimeter long block wall and 200 by 200. So these are in millimeters. This is equivalent to in meters. We're going to make use of meters, so we need to convert this into meters by dividing by 1000 for our computations. So the first things first, what we need to first of all do is to get the area of one block. Yes, but before then we also need to list the mortar joint thickness, and that is it is 12 millimeter, depending on what you use in your country, but where I come from we normally use 12 millimeter. So you have this mortar joint as 12 millimeter. So we are going to get now the area of one block. Area of one block. So these are dimensions of the block and the mortar joint. So now we need to get the area of one block. So we need to first of all get the length that we are going to use. Lengths to use in the computations. We need to add just the dimensions of the block to include the mortar joint if you want to be accurate. So what we do, we shall get this length. We add half a mortar joint on each side, so that will be 0.012 and then you also get, okay, let me just do it for you here very well. So you shall get 2 times bracket half the motor joint divided by 2 bracket. So it will get to that. Then we shall do the same for the width. We shall say this equals to the width plus 2 times half the motor joint, which is this, divided by 2 bracket. Yeah, so these are the 2 dimensions we're going to use to compute the areas, the area of one block. So this means area one block will equal to this length, adjusted length times adjusted width. So this will be the area that we're going to use to compute our to get a total number of blocks required is, say, in 1 square meter. So total number of blocks, so that's what we're going to calculate, is equal to the total quantity of the block wall that you want to build divided by this area of one block. Then press enter. So it is equivalent to 11.44. So that is equivalent to approximately, this is approximately 12 blocks. So what you can do is to round up this. So I'll just say round up to make it approximately 12 number of blocks, 12 pieces. So we need to also allow for wastage damages. You know, when you are transporting them from the factory, there are normally some blocks that are damaged during transportation, and also at site there are many cases of wastage. So we allow for wastage, you can allow 2% wastage. Okay, so we are going to increase this number by 2%. We are going to increase 12 by 2%. So this will equal to 12 times 2%. So we are allowing 0.24 pieces per square meter. So if you add this up, total number of blocks to order for our work, this will be equal to 0 is equal to 12 plus 0.24 pieces. So you need approximately this number of blocks per square meter. So you can also round this up. You can round up, because since you can't get a 0.24, this will be like a proportion of a brick. So you just need to round this up to 13. Yeah, so we will need approximately 13 pieces. you need approximately 13 pieces of hollow concrete blocks for 1 square meter. So this should be your magic number. Okay, so whenever you change here, if you say 10, say if you want to estimate the number of blocks required in 10 square meters, yeah, you get 118 pieces that you require for 10 square meters. Okay, yeah, so this is all I wanted to show you today. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment, so that we can discuss. If you have any questions, you can raise them in the comment section below. Thank you very much.